In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account using your usual login method. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so it's easier to find the settings you need. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open the account menu where you'll find several options related to your profile and account preferences. From that menu, select Settings to continue. Inside Settings, open Personal Details. This is where Wise stores the basic information connected to your account. After that, click Personal Information to access the section that includes your contact details. You should now be able to locate the phone number section. When you find your current phone number, click Edit next to it. This will allow you to update the number connected to your Wise account. Carefully enter your new phone number in the field provided. It's important to choose the correct country code and type the number exactly as it should appear, since this is the number Wise will use for verification and account security. Before moving on, review the phone number one more time to make sure everything is correct. Even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Once you're sure the number is accurate, click Save or Continue. Wise will then send a verification code to your new phone number. Wait for the message to arrive, and when prompted, enter the verification code exactly as you received it. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and make sure your phone has signal and can receive messages. In some cases, Wise may ask you to complete an additional security verification step. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions. This extra check is there to help protect your account and confirm that the change is being made by you. After the verification is complete, go back to your account information and confirm that the new phone number is now displayed. This final check helps make sure the update was successful and that your account is using the correct contact number going forward. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number in Wise. Thanks for watching.